Feeling is the Secret, Step-by-Step Guide. If you're looking to transform your life and achieve your dreams, you might want to consider diving into the teachings of Neville Goddard. His timeless book Feeling is the Secret has helped countless people around the world tap into the power of their thoughts and emotions to manifest their desires. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore how you can apply the principles from this powerful book to your life, and start living the life you truly want. So if you're ready to learn how to harness the power of your thoughts and feelings to create your reality, let's get started. Understand the concept. Before you can apply Neville Goddard's Feeling is the Secret, it's important to understand the concept behind it. In essence, feeling is the secret means that the emotions and feelings you experience are powerful tools for manifesting your desires. By cultivating positive emotions and focusing on what you want, you can attract those things into your life. Set your intention. The first step in applying Feeling is the Secret is to set a clear intention for what you want to manifest. Write down your intention in a clear and concise manner, and make sure it is something that you truly desire. This will help you focus your energy and attention on your goal. Visualize your desired outcome. Visualization is a key aspect of Feeling is the Secret. Visualize yourself already having achieved your desired outcome. Use all of your senses to make the visualization as vivid as possible. Imagine what it looks like, feels like, sounds like, and even smells like. The more detail you can add to your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Feel the emotions. As you are visualizing your desired outcome, focus on feeling the emotions associated with it. Imagine how you would feel if you had already achieved your goal. Would you feel happy, grateful, confident, or excited? Whatever the emotions are, allow yourself to feel them fully. This step is crucial because it's the emotions that you feel that will attract your desires to you. Use affirmations. Affirmations are a powerful tool for changing your thoughts and beliefs. Use affirmations to reinforce the positive emotions you are feeling during your visualization. Repeat affirmations that align with your desired outcome, such as I am happy and grateful to have achieved my goal, or I am confident in my ability to manifest my desires. Stay focused. It's important to stay focused on your goal and avoid negative thoughts or doubts. When negative thoughts arise, acknowledge them but don't dwell on them. Instead, reframe your thoughts to focus on your desired outcome. Keep visualizing, feeling the emotions, and using affirmations to reinforce your positive mindset. Take inspired action. Finally, take inspired action towards your goal. This means taking steps that feel aligned with your vision and that bring you closer to your desired outcome. Trust your intuition and take action that feels good and exciting. When you take inspired action, you are signaling to the universe that you are ready and willing to receive your desires. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is an essential component of manifestation. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you open yourself up to receiving even more abundance. Take time each day to express gratitude for the things in your life that you are thankful for. This can be done through journaling, meditation, or simply saying thank you out loud. Believe in yourself. Believing in yourself and your ability to manifest your desires is critical to the success of Feeling is the Secret. Trust that you are capable of achieving your goals and that the universe is working in your favor. Let go of any doubts or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Trust the process. Finally, trust the process of manifestation. Understand that the universe works in mysterious ways and that your desires may manifest in unexpected ways or at unexpected times. Trust that everything is happening for your highest good and that your desires are on their way to you. Let go of any attachment to the outcome and trust that the universe will deliver what is best for you. In conclusion, applying Neville Goddard's Feeling is the Secret in your life requires consistent practice, patience, and trust. By visualizing your desired outcome, feeling the emotions associated with it, using affirmations, staying focused, taking inspired action, practicing gratitude, believing in yourself, and trusting the process, you can manifest your desires and live the life you truly desire. Remember to be kind to yourself throughout the process, and to celebrate each step along the way.